So guys, let us talk about Wi-Fi Direct. So there's nothing new. It has been there for a long time. So let us see what is Wi-Fi Direct. So we know that Bluetooth is a short-range wireless communication, right? Which is used for peer-to-peer communication. So when we say peer-to-peer, it's between one device to another. So you can just transfer files between the two devices that are connected, right? So uh, on the same lines, if you know, even Wi-Fi can be used to transfer data between two devices. So we till now know that when we connect over Wi-Fi, we have to connect to a router, and then through the router the connections will be done. But without any interface between the two devices, like how we connect the Bluetooth. Similarly, uh, peer-to-peer communication can be done over Wi-Fi as well. So this is called a direct Wi-Fi. Now this is nothing that is new today. It has been there for a long time. It's been in use in several devices. And as we mentioned, there is no need of any centralized network. Just have two devices which supports direct Wi-Fi, and then have a connection between them and start sharing your files. So mainly it's the important point of having Bluetooth. We know that it's a file sharing. So similarly, having a direct Wi-Fi is to share files between the devices. And then we know we need an access point for a Wi-Fi. So for a peer-to-peer communication in this direct Wi-Fi, one of the device acts as a access point and the other device connects to it. So what is the major advantage? We have Bluetooth, right? Why do we need direct Wi-Fi? So as we grow in our daily lives, data has become a very important point. So especially if you see any files or something, example, if you want to share a small video stream, so we know the quality, the amount of data that is involved, or some kind of uh, photos, which we have a lot of megapixel devices these days. So if you want to transfer them, if you use a normal speed communication, it takes a lot of time. So you need a high speed peer-to-peer communication. This is where Wi-Fi Direct comes into picture. So Wi-Fi Direct is supported in a number of devices actually. Especially the mobile phones, if you see, they have Wi-Fi Direct option. So if you go to other wireless connections and if you see Wi-Fi dithering, the place where you have the personal hotspot, Wi-Fi dithering, USB dithering options, and Bluetooth dithering option, there you can see a option called Wi-Fi Direct. So this Wi-Fi Direct, as we mentioned, could be used to transfer files. You can screencast as well. Many users. So in case if you do not know that something of this exists, and if you are using some other app to transfer files between your devices, are using a Bluetooth option which takes a lot of time, just check out if your phone supports direct Wi-Fi. This isn't too popular, at least as per my guess, because this needs the device has to support this. So check it out. If you have a high-end mobile phone, you must have this Wi-Fi Direct on your phone as well. Thanks. Please post your comments. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.